is a synthetic division. So let's see. Synthetic division is a simply easy method of the division of the two polynomials. First of all, we will see the definition. Synthetic division is an easy method for division of the polynomials when the divisor is of the form x plus a. That is, divisor is of the form x plus a or simply x minus a. That is the linear form. At that time, we can use the method as a synthetic division. And after doing the division, to verify, we can arrange the given terms in the form. That is, dividend equal to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, in this way, the synthetic division is carried out. This concept is get clear with an help of an example. So let's see the practice set 3.3. The practice set 3.3 is based is to solve by the two methods, that is the synthetic division and second is the linear method. But for this academic year, the linear method is excluded from the syllabus. So we have to solve the given practice set by the help of the synthetic division only. So let's see. Now we have to see the first example of the practice set 3.3. In your textbook, that is on page number 46, the question is given as divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. Write the question and the remainder. But the linear division method is excluded for this academic year. So we have to follow or we have to solve this practice set with the help of synthetic division only. So the question will be in this form. The question is given as 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is divided by m minus 5. So before going to solve, first we have to write the given dividend into the form of coefficient form. So here dividend equal to what? Dividend equal to 2m square minus 3m plus 10 and divisor equal to m minus 5. First of all, we have to write here coefficient form. Coefficient form of dividend. What is coefficient form? If here we have seen that if the power is 2 or the degree is 2, so it contains 2 plus 1, that is the 3 terms. So 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So now we can write it in the form of coefficient form as, what is the coefficient here? 2 minus 3 and 10. M square coefficient is 2, m coefficient is minus 3 and m raised to 0 coefficient is what? Simply 10. So this is the coefficient form. And here is what? M minus 5. Here is what? Minus 5. And opposite of minus 5 is simply what? 5. So now we will carry the division. So division will be simply what we have to write first for coefficient, that is 2 minus 3 and here 10. Now here is what? M minus 5. What is the opposite of minus 5? It is simply plus 5. If here it is a plus 5, so we have to take here minus 5. Now carry the division. Here we have to take 2 as it is. Okay. Then 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Now minus 3 plus 10, that is equal to what? Plus 7. Then 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. And 35 plus 10, that is equal to 45. Here 45 is what? Simply remainder. That is the last term is what? Simply a remainder. So if you have to write the given polynomials, division of polynomials, that is equal to the form of dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what it forms? Therefore, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what it comes? Dividend is what? Simply 2m square minus 3m plus 10, which is equal to what was the divisor? Divisor what? M minus 5. Here quotient is what? Quotient is simply these two terms. If it is having two terms, so the highest degree is what here? 1. That is 2m plus 7. 2m plus 7 is what here? It is a quotient. And remainder is what? 45. If you simplify this, so we get here dividend. That is LHS is equal to RHS. Let's verify it. Let's here to verify it. That is m will multiply to 2m plus 7. Again minus 5 will multiply to 2m plus 7 and this 45 as it is. Now m into 2, that is 2m square plus 7m minus 500, that is minus 10m minus 35. Minus 5 into 7, that is 35 plus 45. So here minus 7 minus 10m, that is minus 3. That is 2m square minus 3m plus 10. 2m square minus 3m plus 10. In this way it is verified. So here quotient is what? Quotient is this term and the remainder is simply here 45. So whatever comes in the last, that is the remainder. One example again we will see, then it will get clear. Third example, that is y raised to 3 minus 260 divided by y minus 6. Now first of all here dividend equal to y raised to 3 minus 260 and divided equal to y minus 6. So first of all we have to enter coefficient form for this. Here the highest degree is what? 3. So it can be written, the given term can be or given polynomial can be the 4 terms. Therefore coefficient of dividend is simply what? Coefficient is what here? Y raised to 3 plus 0 into y square plus 0 into y minus 206. This is also known as standard form. From the standard form we can write the coefficient. So what is the coefficient of y cube? That is simply 1. What is the coefficient of y square? 0. What is the coefficient of y? 0. What is the coefficient of y raised to 0? That is simply minus 216. Now let's do the division. Here is what? That is coefficient. That is 1, 0, 0, minus 216. Here is what? Y minus 6. Here is minus 6. So opposite of minus 6 is simply plus 6. Carry the division. Keep 1 as it is. 1 into 6, 6. 0 plus 6 is simply 6. Now 6 into 6, that is equal to 36. 0 plus 36, again 36. 36 into 6, that is equal to 216. Minus 216 plus 216, that is equal to 0. So here remainder is what? Simply 0. And here quotient is what? Simply here is 3 terms. So if we write in the standard form, so what we get? Highest power is simply 2. That is y square plus 6y plus 36 is the quotient. While writing the quotient is what? Here 3 terms is there. So highest degree is what here? 2. So y square. Coefficient of first term is what? 1. That is y raised to 2. Then here is what? Coefficient is 6. So 6y and the last is what? Simply constant term. That is a 36. So if we verify the given quotient and the remainder by putting the values in the form dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what we get? Y raised to 3 minus 216 is equal to divisor is what? Simply y minus 6 into quotient is what? Y square plus 6y plus 36 and remainder is simply 0. If we carry the multiplication, so what we get? Y into y square plus 6y plus 36 in minus 6 into again y square plus 6y plus 36. So what we get here? y into y square is y cube plus 6y square plus 36y minus 6y square minus 36y minus 260. So here plus 6y square and minus 6y square will cancel. Minus 36y plus 36y again get cancel. So what remains? Only the two terms, that is y is to 3 minus 216, which is the dividend. That is, it is verified that our method of solving is correct. The next topic is that is the value of a polynomial. So let's see by definition. In a polynomial, if variable is replaced by a number, that is simply a variable value is replaced by a number, then we get the value of the polynomial. Means what? If a polynomial is there with a variable x, and if it is replaced by some number as a, then after simplification, whatever the value we get, that is the value of the polynomial. That is simply what? If p of x is a polynomial in the variable x, then the value of the polynomial is what? Replacing the variable x by a number, that is x equal to a. Put the value of x equal to a is written as simply p of a. So let's see with the help of the example. Let's see example. Here is what? P of x is a polynomial in the variable x. If we replace the value of x by 2, so what we get? That is simply p of 2 equal to what? 2 square plus 7. Now 2 square is simply what? 4 plus 7, that is equal to 11. Now if we put the value of x equal to 2, so what we get? 11. If we put the value of x equal to 3, so we will get some another value. If we put x equal to 4, then we will get some another value. In this way, the value of p is different for the different variable values. So if we put here x equal to 2, so we get here as a 11. Let's see some more example, that is in the practice set 3.4. Now let's see practice set 3.4, which is based on the topic, that is the values of a polynomial. Here we are going to see two examples, that is question number first and third. Second and fourth have to take as an homework. So first question is what? For x equal to 0, find the values of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. The polynomial is given. We have to find the value of the polynomial by replacing the value of x equal to 0. So given that p of x equal to what? X square minus 5x plus 5. So what we will do here? That is replace x equal to 0. So let x equal to 0. What we get here? That is p of 0 equal to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 5. Now 0 square is what? Simply 0. And 0 multiplied by any number is always 0 plus 5. 0 minus 0 plus 5, that is simply 5. Therefore, p of 0 equal to what? Simply here 5. And next example we have to see third. If p of m equal to n cube plus 2m square minus n plus 10, then p of a plus p of minus a equal to what? That we have to find. So given that p of m equal to what? M cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. Now let m equal to, first of all we will take a. So p of a get as, that is a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. Now let m equal to minus a. What we get here? P of minus a equal to minus a cube plus 2 into minus a square minus of minus a plus of 10. That is equal to what? Minus a cube is what? Simply minus a plus 2a square minus into minus get plus a plus of 10. Now we have to add. You will add equation first and equation second. So add equation 1 and 2. So what we get? Therefore, adding equation 1 and 2, we get here p of a plus p P of minus a equal to what? Simply a cube plus 2a square minus a plus a plus minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus a. So here right term get added and positive and negative term get subtracted in the addition. So here we got a cube and minus a cube get cancelled, plus a and minus a get cancelled. So what we get? 2a square plus 10, 2a square plus 10, that is equal to what? 4a square plus 20 is what? That is a p of a plus p of minus